How are you? How are you guys? Hi guys. Hi guaps. Welcome to my channel. For this video, I will be teaching you 10 most common words and phrases both in Tagalog and Bisaya. Okay? And it's English translation. Tagalog ka? Or Bisaya ka? Bisaya pala ka? Oh, pareho pala ta. That's a joke. That's wrong. You say, so you're Bisaya. So stay tuned till the end of my video so that you can grasp a little about the difference between the two. Okay? Hello! I am Doc Liza, and if in case you're wondering what kind of a doctor I am, I'm a doctor of optometry, not optometry. I am an optometrist, and I do eye tests for contact lenses, eyeglasses, and ocular exercises or vision training. I was teaching for 24 years and later on became an assistant professor before I left for Qatar and Dubai. So when I was working in Dubai, somebody comes to talk to you and say, "Hi, maganda, maganda." So that is Tagalog. That is not my dialect. So it's different. So because I come from Cebu, I'm not from Manila. So my father is from Bulacan, so he speaks Tagalog. My mother is from Cebu, so she speaks Bisaya or Cebuano, and I'm half-half. So I'll give you a rough introduction of our country. So Philippines is in Southeast Asia. It is an archipelago, which means it is a group of islands. Because frankly, we have 7,641 islands that comprise the Philippines. So see, that's the reason why there are so many dialects that are spoken in our country. There are three major divisions. So you have Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. So the official languages that we speak are Filipino or Filipino and English. And there are 19 dialects all over the country. The capital of the country is Manila. Manila is located in Luzon. See? And that is where Tagalog is spoken. Get it? Okay. And then comes Cebu City, which is where I'm from. Cebu City is more or less like the second highly urbanized city in the whole country, and it is located in the middle part or the central part, particularly Visayas, and that is where Bisaya or Cebuano is widely spoken. So for people who are from Manila, they speak Tagalog, and for people who come from Visayas and Mindanao mostly speak Bisaya. Okay? Tagalog and Bisaya are the two widely spoken dialects in the whole country. And we have similar words that actually have different meanings, and that it will be another video because they are so funny. Now, every time somebody comes to Manila or arrives at the airport, people will say, "Mabuhay! Welcome to the Philippines." So the word mabuhay is actually Tagalog, which literally means life or long live. So I don't think we have a word that is the translation of mabuhay in Cebuano or in Bisaya. Anyway, mabuhay is already accepted as a national greeting. So mabuhay. So now I'm gonna teach you 10 most common words or phrases spoken in Tagalog and Bisaya and its English translation. Are you ready? So let's begin. So the first phrase is, "Hello, how are you?" In Tagalog, we say, "Hello" or "Hi, kamusta ka?" In Bisaya, we say, "Hello," still hello. Sometimes, "Hello." I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. That's me. I always say, "Hello, hello." But it's still hello. Kumusta ka? Kumusta man ka? Hello. Kumusta man ka? Kumusta ka, besh? Kumusta ka, friend? So something like that. Next is, I am fine. Now, some people don't say I am fine. It's a cool term to say, oh, I'm good. Yeah, how are you? I'm good. So, in Tagalog, we say, mabuti or mabuti naman ako. Mabuti for good or fine. Ako is I. Okay? In Bisaya, we say, maayo man ko. Maayo is for good or fine. Man ko, me. Next is, what is your name? In Tagalog, we say, ano ang pangalan mo? Ano for what? Ang is, pangalan is name, mo is you. In Bisaya, we say, unsa imong pangan? Unsa is what? Imo is you, pangan is name. Okay? How are we doing so far? Are you confused? Next word is pretty. Pretty or beautiful. In Tagalog, we say maganda. In Bisaya, we say guwapa. For handsome, handsome in Tagalog is guwapo or pogi. In Bisaya, handsome is guwapo. So see, these are common words already in our dialects. Next is, I like you. So in Tagalog, we say, gusto kita. Gusto kita. Gusto like. You, kita is you. In Bisaya, we say, nakagusto ko nimo. Or ganahan ko nimo. And it's a little bit longer. Next phrase is, I love you. In Tagalog, we say, mahal kita. And I think you frequently hear this. In Bisaya, we say, gihigugma tika. Which is a little bit cheesy and right now it sounds a little bit cringy because I think people just say I love you nowadays. No more gihigugma kita, right? Now, most of you, when you come to the Philippines, you always want to buy pasalubong or gifts to bring back home. And you negotiate with the sales lady, especially in, this small shops and blah, blah, blah. And then you say, how much is this? So, how do you say that in Tagalog? How much is this? So, in Tagalog, you say, magkano ito? Magkano ito? In Bisaya, you say, tagpila ni. Tagpila ni. Okay? Easy, huh? Okay. Next word. And always, you want to say thank you to people like, thank you. I remember thank you in Arabic is shukran. Shukran. And then you need to answer like afwan for you're welcome. When you say thank you, in Tagalog, we say salamat. And even in Bisaya, it's still salamat. So this is one word that is common to both dialects. Next phrase is you're welcome. So in Tagalog, we say walang anuman. Walang anuman. And in Bisaya, we say walay sapayan. Walay sapayan. Okay? And then the last phrase is goodbye. In Tagalog, we say paalam. In Bisaya, we say bye-bye. I hope you had fun. I'm gonna give you more words and more phrases next time. So anyway, I'm gonna say bye-bye and see you in my next video. Thank you for watching my video. Bye! Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!